Our goal in solving this equation is to find the value of x, which makes two sides of the equation equal. To do this, we are going to rewrite the equation so that one side of the equation has only x. So, let's first eliminate 13x on the right side of the equation by subtracting 13x. Here, it is important to treat both sides of the equation equally. So, when we subtract a number from one side of the equation, we must subtract the same number from the other side of the equation. After subtracting 13x, the left side of the equation is simplified to minus 6x minus 5. Then, the right side of the equation can be simplified to 7. Next, we are going to eliminate minus 5 on the left side of the equation. To do this, let's add 5 to both sides of the equation. After adding 5, the left side of the equation is simplified to minus 6x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the equation. 7 plus 5 is 12. We now have a new equation, minus 6x equals 12. Now, to solve the equation, we are going to eliminate minus 6 in front of x. To do this, let's divide both sides of the equation by minus 6. So, the answer is x equals minus 2.